we hear a lot of dates here in California recently. We've got no more sale of gas burning vehicles in 2035 and 2030 and different deadlines. So a lot of things coming up. So what's the difference of building out for 2040 than building for 2030?
I'm happy to start there, I guess. They'll certainly, the other folks would be great to hear as well. But really, from our perspective, building for 2030 involves figuring out some of the fundamental questions, roles and responsibilities. For example, how much infrastructure should utilities be allowed to own? Which standards and protocols are going to be needed to enable managed charging? What should an initial suite of charging stations be located? Where should they be located? I think for 2040, we will have resolved those foundational questions and we'll be on to subsequent generations of equipment on all ends of the EV life cycle. We'll be focusing on filling in gaps and meeting ever-growing needs. But those are the kinds of challenges that we've collectively had a lot of experience overcoming. So I think it's the earlier years that are going to be more challenging.
Yeah, I don't want to add much more because I think you really said it well. I think when I think about 2030, I kind of think short term and long term. In the short run, we really have to figure out the interconnection process. We have to figure out how to incentivize customers. We have to figure out rules and regulations around all of these new technologies that we're going to attach to the grid. And that's all going to take time and conversation and partnership and debate. And that's the part that gets hard and lengthy, right, is the debate. Because we might agree on the solution at the end, but we probably don't agree on how to get there. And so when I think about 2030 and planning for the grid, it's having those tough conversations in a candid way, but with a goal of getting to the 2040, which is more of that, we've got it. We've got the rules, we got the regulations, we got the path, and now we just got to get the work done.